안녕. Hello everyone. This is Miss Sunny. 안녕하세요. 안녕. I hope everybody doing well. Yeah, let's learn. This lesson is gonna be really fun because we are going to review 5 words. Okay, are you guys ready? Yeah, I hear Kamari say 하자, 고비 say 하자, Laurel say 하자, Grayson. I cannot call all you guys' name, okay? But remember, Miss Sunny remember all of you guys. Yeah, 하자. So, relate to el tiempo. Tiempo means weather. Okay, so these are all noun. So 71 to 75. That's a big number, isn't it? Okay, but remember that only 2 words are la, feminine noun. Do you know what they are? Rain and cloud are la, feminine noun. Okay, what is that? You got it. Rain and cloud, yeah. So, la, lluvia. La, lluvia. And another cloud is la nube. Nube. Yeah, if more than one, it's gonna be plural. So it's gonna be changed la to las. Las. Singular, plural. So las nubes. Okay, so 71. Sunshine. You are my sunshine. Sun is el sol. El sol. Very good, guys. And then 72. Rain is, Sunny told you that rain and cloud. Feminine. La, lluvia. La, lluvia. 73. Cloud. La nube. Las nubes. Yeah, if I say la, only one singular. If I say las, if you hear S sound, it's gonna be plural. What is the plural? James? Yeah, you're right. Plural means more than one. Okay? Yeah. Alright, let's go to 74 is fly. Oh, too much wind. Wind is el viento. El viento. El is masculine or feminine? Masculine. I said, Miss Sonny told you that la, feminine. Okay, good job, guys. Last one. 75 is sky. Blue sky. Sky is el cielo. El cielo. Very good, guys. Practice with mommy and daddy and yourself while watching Miss Sony's channel, and can do it, okay? So always think what? Positive. I can do it, okay? I can do it, you can do it. Everybody can do it. Thanks for watching Miss Sony's channel. I love you guys. Speak hard. Can you show me medium or? Say it's Korean. 사랑해. Small heart. 사랑해. Thanks for watching Miss Sony's channel. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye bye. 안녕. La, feminine. Haha.